Thank you for joining us here today. We know that you've got a choice, but we want to share with you today why Unilock. We want you to know that we're more than what we say, that we're more than what you see. Really at Unilock, it's all about what we do. Why Unilock? We're the industry leaders, not the followers. And indeed, we have had a lot of firsts. We take great pride in our position as leader. And each and every year, and in each and every endeavor, we will make every effort to earn that right to lead. And we ask you to join us. We ask you to join us in leading the way to excellence. Why Unilock? Pavers and walls is our business. It's not part of our business. Our focus is innovation, perfecting pavers and walls, which makes you, the landscape contractor, our most important customer. Why Unilock? We build plants. We don't buy plants. And this means more footage to you locally. When we build a plant, we're investing in the very latest in technology and production efficiencies. This means that we're bringing to you, to your customers, to you, our customer, the very best there is to offer in concrete pavers and walls. Why Unilock? Our contractors come first. When a homeowner calls us, we call you, because what you say matters, because we have your back. If you haven't felt this, we want you to know this. We want you to experience this. Regardless if your company is large or small, whether you're 1,000 feet a year or 100,000 feet a year, it's our priority to make you our priority. Why Unilock? Because we show up on your site for sure to meet you, but we keep coming back to earn your business. Whether we're bringing you those coveted red pencils, shirts, we want to be your resource. We want you to call us when it's a first-time installation or you're looking for improved efficiencies. Whatever that void is in your business, we want to help flush it out. We want you to tap into our Unilock team. Do you know that at Unilock we have nearly 1,400 years of combined experience? That's huge. That's a lot of years, a lot of people that have your back, and a lot of people working for you, for real. Nothing gives us greater pleasure than to watch you grow your business, and we're here to help you do exactly that. And whatever that looks like for you, for some, growth is profit. For others, it's time management. Others still, it may be adding new crews, and it may be just spending more time with your family. But whatever that looks like for you, we want you to know that we're here to help. Why Unilock? We don't hang you up on the job site. We get you what you need and when you need it. And whether that's a sample, a question you need answered, or resolution to an issue, we understand your sense of urgency. We understand that time is money. I always say to my guys, don't start your email, text, or phone call with, sorry to bother you. You're not bothering me. You're not bothering us. It is our pleasure to hear from you. Because what you say matters. Because what you say matters to us. Why Unilock? Well, when you make a suggestion, we're listening. We count on you to make us better. And we're communicating that information that you give to us, we're communicating that internally. It doesn't fall on deaf ears. And whether that's a product change, color, shape, something that you thought of, we've done that. We've reacted, we've responded, we've brought products to market, be it that color or shape that you thought of, that you said that you needed. We bring out a product and a way to install it, and you guys amaze us each and every year with a better way to do it or a new cool way of installing it. We want to keep doing this together, and we encourage you to share. Why Unilock? We're here. We're really here. We've got a lot of boots on the ground, more territory managers than any other concrete manufacturer. And we're here to update you, to educate, to support and encourage, to listen, to really listen by our response. In some of the regions, we've even built an outdoor idea center. And this was done so that homeowners can understand the vision of your project. They can now see and feel shapes, colors, textures. UTech, that's another sales tool, and it's free. Whether you're bringing in new guys or starting up your own business, you can work your way through different segments, be it installation or product knowledge. That's on our website. Also on our website is upcoming events, seminars, product information, specifications. We did a major rehaul in 2020, and everything is there, but we're here too. Contractor services, that was a huge addition. More boots on the ground. If you're a first-time user with a new product or simply want new quick tips and tricks on an application, call us. Let us know when you're on site, and we'll be there to keep you on pace. We don't want you to lose one iota of time. We get that time is money. 𝐦𝐨𝐫𝐞, another phenomenal sales tool. It's a means of profit, a means of bringing your vision to life. Stop talking about it and start showing your vision. It's impactful, it's profitable. One of my guys describes it as shooting fish in a barrel, and his closing ratio is stellar. Why Unilock? Because we believe in what we do, and we believe in you. You're why we get up in the morning, for real. We look forward to what we do day in and day out, and we look forward to watching you grow your business. And we really appreciate that you help us grow ours. We're designed to connect, and we want the opportunity to do exactly that in 2021. Thank you for your business. We wish you and yours a healthy and profitable 2021.